Hello, my name is Diksha Mehta. Today I'll be expressing my views on the topic National Education Policy A Long Journey to Success. National education policy has opened small windows for the long awaited reform in the education sector. The change of nomenclature from human resource to robust Union Ministry of Education heralds a small new beginning. But I think that it should also be clubbed with culture to promote holistic touch to our traditional Indian society and our values. Moreover, national education policy has total of 22 fundamental principles and it envisions our educational system that is deep rooted in Indian ethos that directly contributes to transforming India into a knowledge based society and making it a global knowledge superpower. I know these can be those lofty, dizzying, and tall claims, but if we want a successful and a bright future, we need to restructure our educational policy and we need to bring our main focus on the education itself. Secondly, we also, it has been rightly said by sages and wise people that missing a target is forgivable, but aiming for a low target is not forgivable at all. So, with national education policy, there have been various claims that government has been aiming too high, but I feel that it is totally necessary at this point of time. Moreover, Gandhi ji has guided us to learn the best from the West. The rise of the West has coincided with its quest for knowledge and building universities as centers of learning in it. Moreover, any policy such as national education policy is as good as on the paper. But the main thing for any policy is its implementation. It should not be cast in stone. There have been various past events, and we have all those policies that have been disregarded and have been criticized because of lack of implementation. But with bringing of national education policy, what we seek for the future is better implementation. Secondly, with national education policy, the main focus are the job providers, not the job seekers. It is the main focus is to become a self-reliant country and to make people self-reliant, self-dependent, and to aim big and to achieve. In order to become self-reliant, we need to change the trend of focusing on money, knowledge, and power, and making knowledge as our mainstay and upfront above anything else. Also, in order to achieve our goal of becoming a global knowledge superpower, what we need to do is to forget our old habits and our attitude of neglect and focus on a bright future. We need to move with optimism and positivity so that we can achieve a bright and a successful future. Thank you.